We go to our trending today. And trending is a post on X from @Wale sharing his ordeal with his wife and sister-in-law. That's the wife's sister. He posted, "I'm a married guy. This year takatanga kugara namainini as her gardens. So mainini calls me husband, and my wife actually encourages it in a way. She's always, saying things like nyengera, Murume, wako, atitengere pizza, or atitire, chakati. I know kutamba and all, but mainini gets physical with it at times. Anondi, bata. She sits on my legs, like on my lap. I think she actually enjoys torturing me, especially when we are alone. To make matters worse, anopfeka tunhu, diki, or see through nightdresses all day since pasina, kwaanenge, achienda. That's how bad it is. I've tried to talk to my wife, but she said she trusts both of us, so there is no issue. I know to most guys, ipena, and I did, and ipena guy. Takatanga mazi, so like ipena guy for most guys, and but then for me, it's torture. So he was then asking, what should I do to make them see kuti it's actually serious? Because talking only zvaramba. And I want to hear your thoughts on this one. Men are victims too, eh? Men are victims too. And sometimes we make light of it and you trivialize it. Men are victims too when women throw themselves at them. Like in this case, mainini, because the wife is comfortable. Anyway, so I just want to hear your take on this. Where do you draw the line between being playful, tamba chiramu, and being abusive? And for men, is it easy to open up and complain that a female relative is acting funny towards you or is acting inappropriately towards you? You can also hit us up because, I've seen other men, ipena, not, but then there are some good men out there. They're not into that. Mainini no, mainini, and then that's it. So, and the fact that the wife the conversation and what hazvina basa. Anyway, you can send voice notes. You can talk to us. Would also want to hear your thoughts on it. Lewa, good morning, darling.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good.
Growing up, I used to hate katsika kana sekuruke kunditi mukadzi wangu.
Yes.
Akaindisvota singamboiti. So I would avoid vese vandinoziva vandikasikirike kuzonditi he mukadzi wangu andaitisa ini. So I feel how this man is feeling to a certain extent, but havazosvika pakubatana nepakudi unozangana usiri that person. You're just not that person. Itori abuse zvokuti uri kutry kuti vanhu one, because kwavari kuna vanhu vanotrivialize certain issues, and it's kuzoona atozonyora. I'm thinking atombotry kuda kuvhenta shaya kuti woita sei.
Talking, I've tried talking and I see that they're not taking me seriously.
Havasombonzwisisa
kuti mukadzi wachona ari kuratidza kuti she's not insecure. Maybe that's what she's trying to show. No, hapana. Ukati lewano kuita seko.
Hapana.
Ndasiya lewe nemurume wangu. Ukati lewana kuita achicomplain kuti leo chakati naiwe ndotoseka kuti
mese murume wangu. It's not like anything can happen. But most have fell victim of vazokwesa pena like ati pena yasetwa now is your problem young food, but nembotire kukudza eka.
Pane zvinhu zvisiri safe ngatisatambeni zvinhu zvakadaro. So he's also asking kuti what am I supposed to do in this case? And gender-based torture. Men are victims too, eh? Men are victims too, and sometimes we trivialize it. Akada kuti audzo ani ungoti newe akada udzowa mwarume muzavarume
haukapuse. But zvine ma-consequences. I'm not sure hangu kuti mainini vane makore mangani. Mainini vatori emaina futi and but hazvitadzise kuti vanhu vechirume vave victims because she's a minor and she's a woman. akuzona open up, imagine conversation uchiitaura nemukadzi wako uchifunga kuti utori serious, or maybe you're trying to lighten up the mood kuti asanyanyodhipisa obva atofunga kuti ijoke, but munhu achitokuudza
wokuti pamwe haazonyatsopinde nemo
because kuna umwe futi vasingaudzwe paunotry kumuti akutoita kunge iwewe ndiwe uri kuda kuita something
kutona mwana nezero ndikupfekwa namainini boy here achibvunzawo
azotarisa mainini amene anomufana nemwana here panapa amainini mwana
ziso rako here kairi saka wakutotyisa kayo
saka mai vanenge akatoitaura ine way yekuti sanyanyodhipiswa, but crying out for help.
I actually get you. Yeah. So you can hit us up on the WhatsApp platform. Let's hear your thoughts on it.